Group presentation about customer satisfaction.
What is quality service? Quality service involved providing efficient, quick, and friendly service to customers as well as building strong relationship with them. It also entails responding to customers' issues in time and handling any complaints swiftly. And also, quality service is the consistent delivery of products and services which not only meets the expectation but also exceed the expectation of the guests. It focuses on providing delightful hotel experiences that may last a lifetime. Quality service is example na may isang shop or restaurant na nagbibigay hindi lamang na masarap na pagkain dahil nagbibigay din sila ng good service sa mga customers nila. And nagbibigay sila ng maasikaso at maalalahanin sa mga needs ng customer. For example, yung food is always fresh at masarap. Then yung mga place nila is malinis at maayos and comfortable. And lahat ng ito ay ways to improve the shops na nagbibigay positive sa mga customer at lalo na sa shop nila or restaurants. Comprehensive, efficient, and personalized service tailored to meet your needs.
How you can tell that your guests are satisfied? The most effective way to measure guest satisfaction is by collecting customer feedback. So doon po natin nalalaman na gusto nila yung binibigay natin na services or yung food natin sa ating hotel. And sa survey din is nalalaman natin na kung ano yung mga nasatisfy sila sa mga rooms or facilities or food. So, doon po natin makikita na nasasatisfy yung guest sa ating survey na ginagawa sa ating hotel. That's all po. Thank you.
So here are some scenario of negative comments or negative reactions about guests sa ating hotel, for example. So, example lang naman. So, number one scenario is a guest complains about slow service in person or whether in person or internet. So, yung magiging response mo lang nito is, of course, first of apologize sa pagiging inconvenience natin, di ba? Kasi, responsibility natin yun na mag-apologize sa kanila. And of course, i-acknowledge natin yung issue, kung ano nga ba yung problema, kung ano yung naging problema, para mas ma-address natin yung issue and maayos natin yung issue. So, pag na-acknowledge na yung issue, of course, mag-offer tayo ng solution. Ano nga ba yung different types of solution na pwede nating magawa? So, number one, different types of solution is, pwede mo silang bigyan ng discount or bigyan mo sila ng complimentary item. So, sa discount tayo muna. Sa discount, pwede mo silang, for example, yung room nila is worth 10,000, ganyan. 10,000 packs each room. So, pwede mo silang i-discount ng 1,000 pesos. So, not bad na, di ba? Kakalma na yung customer niyan or yung guest natin dahil sa pagbibigay natin ng discount. And second solution naman is complementary item. Ano nga ba yung complementary item na pwede nating maibigay? Madaming bagay na pwede tayong maibigay, like halimbawa champagne or anything item na ginagamit natin sa business na binibenta natin, ganyan. So, ayun naman. So, yung second scenario naman is, halimbawa, second scenario ng negative reactions or comment ng mga guests. So, a guest complains about cleanliness issues. So, madali lang to. Usually, lagi naman tong problema about sa cleanliness. Minsan pa nga nire-refund, diba? Nire-refund ng ibang guest yung yung money nila dahil nga sobrang pangit and sobrang dumi ng pinasukan nila. So, yung magiging response naman mo dito, of course, magti-thank you ka sa guest sa pagbibring ng issue na yun para mas lalo mong matutukan ng pansin and maagapan yung issue. And of course, syempre, ayusin yung problema ng madali. Ayusin yung issues na yun ng maayos, nang walang maging problema. And kung ano yung sinabi ng guest na madumi, syempre yun yung lilinisin mo and kailangan hindi na patagalin para mas lalong maging maayos yung sitwasyon. And para mas ma-resolve yung issue.
Another scenario, a guest posts a negative comment online about the attitude of your staff. So, kailangan mag-respond sa doon dahil hindi naman lahat ng tao is or staff mo is yung kontrolado mo. Meron talagang mga bastos or talagang pasaway na empleyado. So, kailangan mag-comment or mag-apologize sa guest mo as a public, in a public kung saan siya nag-comment. So, maaari mo siyang hingan ng opinion about sa mangyari sa staff na yan. Pwedeng turuan ng mabuting asal or kung sa guidelines, mga rules about pagdating sa customer, how to treat the customer, or kung sobra na yung ugali or di talaga katanggap-tanggap, pwedeng tanggalin yun para mas maging maayos yung hotel or mas mapabuti natin yung hotel. This some of scenarios. A guest leaves a negative online review about the quality of food. So, we need to respond sa social media, public, kung saan nag-comment yung guest natin about sa food. Then, we can send personal message na pwede natin silang invite sa hotel natin para mabago yung pananaw nila o yung isipin nila o isipin ng ibang tao sa hotel natin pagdating sa satisfaction ng ating hotel.
A guest expresses dissatisfaction with their room in person. My explanation is, a guest feel like they not satisfied to the room so that they say that their experiences in that room is not good so they express dissatisfaction about that.